Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, today I am off to Domino's. They've got a new pizza out, chicken, bacon and avocado. Now, a lot of people don't like pineapple on pizzas, and to me, avocado sounds like one of those things that people might not like. It's a bit of an unusual texture, and well, warm avocado and me just don't sit together. So I want to go in, buy one, see what it looks like, see what it tastes like, see if the avocado on a pizza is okay, and then I'll give it a score out of 10. Anyway, I'm nearly there. Can't wait to try the avocado on a pizza. I'm really looking forward to this. Yes. Alrighty, well, here's the local Domino's. Can't wait to dive on into this new pizza. Well, here's the pizza. I tell you what, it smells absolutely amazing. Alrighty, well, let's take a first look at this chicken, bacon and avocado pizza. Whoa, mate, that looks alright. Well, it looks like it's got plenty of avocado on it. It looks like almost a whole avocado's worth of avocado. We've got the bacon here, onion. There's bits of chicken here as well. And it's got this sauce on here. Let's find out what this is. It's like a creamy mayonnaise. Oh, I like that. Now, as I mentioned, one of my concerns with this was a hot avocado because, well, I just don't find it very appetizing. So let's see what temperature this is. A little bit warm. But is this avocado going to be ripe? I certainly hope so. Well, what did they do to that avocado to make it taste so good? I think the piece that I had some of that mayonnaise on it, and together, wow, that tasted really good. Oh, look, here's some spring onions too. There's quite a lot of toppings on this. Anyway, I'm going to try it all together. Let's see if this pizza puts my concerns about avocado on pizza to rest. Well, straight away, I got a mouthful of that tomato sauce base, which sort of seemed a little bit out of place on this pizza. Even though pizzas always have a tomato sauce base, but I don't know, it just seemed really strong. Now, the avocado on top is so creamy and so delicious, it's really nice. Now, in saying that, it doesn't really add a lot of flavour, or it doesn't really add any benefits that I can see or taste to this pizza, other than it looks really nice. I've got a piece here without any avocado on it. Let's see if this tastes any better. Right. I'll try some again with the avocado. Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. Well, to be quite honest, I couldn't really taste any difference between the piece without the avocado and the piece with it. Avocado tends to have a pretty neutral flavour, and adding it to a piece of pizza doesn't seem to make it taste any better or any worse, and if it wasn't there, you can't even notice, and if it is there, you can't even notice. So to me, it's almost a waste of time and money. And considering they charge an extra $2 for the avocado on the pizza, you're not even getting any benefits or any extra tastes or flavours from it. It's almost pointless adding it because you can't even taste it. Now, normally these pizzas are $15.90. Ooh, that is a lot! But I picked it up for $7.95 on a half-price special. So for $7.95, mate, there's at least $1 worth of avocado on there. So if you do love your avocado, yeah, mate, go for it. And if you don't love your avocado, I wouldn't be getting avocado on a pizza then, would I? Anyway, I think I've had enough of this now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. So price-wise, $7.95. I mean, that's all right. Although $15.90, I wouldn't be paying that for it. Flavour-wise, well, I didn't even taste any chicken. I could hardly taste the bacon on it. And the avocado, which is the main feature on this, I couldn't even taste really at all either. So the three main ingredients I hardly could even taste. It's not a bad tasting pizza, but it's not a great tasting pizza. There are plenty of other pizzas on Domino's menus that taste a whole lot better than this. I'd be going for one of those instead. But for an all-over value, all-over taste, all-over flavour, all-over everything score for this pizza, Domino's, I'm giving you a 5 out of 10. It's not the most exciting pizza in the world, and flavour-wise, it's pretty much a bit of a letdown. There's plenty of other pizzas that I'd be choosing over this one. It might look like it's got all the flavour in the world, but in fact it's a bit of a letdown actually. I was sort of expecting a lot more flavour from this, but nah, it's just not doing it for me. So what's my recommendation? Well, if you're thinking about ordering pizza and you're thinking, oh, some avocado on pizza might sound alright, well, think again. It hasn't got me drooling for more. And if you are an avocado lover like myself, you might just be that little bit disappointed in it just for not fulfilling that need that every avocado lover requires. Normally when I'm doing a pizza review from Domino's, I'll finish it all off because they taste so good, but in this case it's a bit of a shrug your shoulders and think, well, I'll just stick it in the fridge when I get home and finish it off at some other stage. It just didn't do it for me. Have you tried the new pizza with avocado on it from Domino's? What did you think about it? Were you underwhelmed as much as I am? Or did you think, wow, this tastes absolutely awesome, I want to order another one? My guess would be it'd be the first thing that I said. Anyway, I'm going to sit here in this lovely side street and finish this off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. Catch you then. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah.